Ow!
Hoy, kalbo. Kalbo ikaw. Ay, ang pangit mo na. Wala, nagalit. Joke lang, ang pogi mo.
妈妈走啦，拜拜，小朋友，拜拜。
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. And then I'm everywhere. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Now you know you wrong. What's this? And why is it there? What is it, Lola? Hello?
You just chilling out, or what's going on, man? What's up?
Wait, aïe.
Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
You can do it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah! Yay! Good boy! Good boy! Oh no! Are you okay?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm so hungry, I could eat a Bernese Mountain Dog named Benny.
Huh?
Chris, do your eyes. Make them small. Make them real small.
What? Nice. Good girl. Bentley?
Wait. I'm come right back. I just have to go in for 1 minute. I'm coming right back, baby. Be back in 2 minutes, okay? I love you.
Do you think we can make it the whole day without you doing something bad? Did you already do something bad?
Is there a dog under you? Lua! Get off of her! Lua, get off!
Violet, drop the duck. Drop it. Moxie. I can't. Oh my gosh, I can't. There's a frog on you. Oh my god.
Right, let's see how you go. Good boy. Good boy, run. Go and see Izzy.
Real life. You're fighting over a sock?
Zeus. Out. Let them go.
Bro. Bro, no way.
Does this mean it tickles or it's painful?
I do. I feel funny.
Do the stanky leg, I guess.
Teddy, you're supposed to put it on the floor and let it bounce.
Give me my shoe. I know it. That hurts so bad.
Does this weird ass thing where he like swims and he sounds like an elephant. He's so loud.
Ow! Too much.
Is that... Where is he? Oh no! Oh no!
You want to go outside?
Do you want to come in? The door's open. Shh. Come on. For gosh sakes.
Come on, people, get out of the way. Yeah, I'm trying to play cards here.
Is he doing the leg? Yeah.
The squirrel doesn't know it can go up the tree. This has been going on for quite a while already, and I don't see an end in sight. I think I'll have to stop Vince so we don't kill the poor squirrel.
Okay, we almost there. Keep it right. All right. Okay, we there. I'm gonna put my paw. I got one paw. Hold it steady. Hold it steady for me. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Morning, balloons. I mean, morning, last balloon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Boo Boo.
I love you. I love you.
Pa.
Pa. Pa. Give me a pa.
Oh, should we sit? Stay. Oh boy, yeah. You're a nice boy. Nice boy too.
Sure, come back the way you came.
Wow. Wow.
Nope.
You already know who it is. It's your boy.
Get me out of here.
What are you doing? Where are you taking that? Why are you finishing dinner in here? What's happening? Oh, heavens.
What are you gonna do if I go away for 2 weeks, huh? Are you gonna miss your mama? Yes, you're gonna miss mom if I go to Japan. I know.
What's that, huh? You don't want to look at that? You want to explain that to your mom? Huh? What's this, Gom? Huh? What is that? You guys are having a party here today, huh? Huh? Goma?
Are you watching TV? Were you watching the sad commercial with all the puppies in the pound? Keep it up and you're gonna go there.
Really?
What again?
Amigo, véndame un par de zapatos, hágame el favor, que sean estos. ¿Ese zapato lo tiene mi amigo? Ese.
Careful, careful. Oh.
What are you guys doing? Bacon, what are you doing? Maple.
Si tienes suerte, un perro llegará a tu vida, robará tu corazón y lo cambiará todo.
So here I am trying to put this cage together, and this one decides, oh, let me destroy the instructions. Yeah, now I'm just...
Alfie, get off of the chair. Why are you talking?
¿Por qué le hace así? Y la Chuli no le hace nada.
Time to go to bed. No, it's time to go. Oh, damn! Sweeney.
Tú no le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mano! ¡Con mi mano!
Come on.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
Spazzino di civita vecchia.
Oh mio Dio.
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Go. Look. Want this popcorn? Want the popcorn?
Get you a dog that walks itself.
So I just found out that the world doesn't revolve around me. I am quite shocked and very upset.
Back, 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 back. Sit.
You are 16. Go.
Butts, get down. It's not a real cheeseburger. It's not a real cheeseburger, Bubs. Well, now you want the...
Mima!
What are you going to do now?
Hands in.
You want to go see puppies? You want to go see the puppies? Well, God, oh, all right. Okay. Settle down, settle down. Okay.
Yeah, he's happy. Are you happy? You are? You're very happy? Always. You are so beautiful, Story. Can't you see it? Everything Story hopes for, everything Story needs.
Come on.
I am not demure.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to be up here? Oh my.
Cheated. Es sencilla en muchos aspectos. Arriesgamos poco.
Marvelous.